Now let's see this example. For each patient there are a pair of observations, A and B, that represent a specific measurement. Can you draw a conclusion for the agreement level between these two observations by using t-test? As you see in this question, we have two samples, A and B, observation A and observation B. And this question is two tails, because the question does not mention greater than or less than, so the relational operator in H1 does not equal. We write H0, which is sample 1 mean equal to sample 2 mean for the two samples, and H1, sample 1 mean does not equal sample 2 mean. Now, after stating the hypothesis, let's go to Excel Training 3 and open sheet Ttest 3 to find the p-value. Select any empty cell, go to Formula, Insert Function, search for Ttest, in array 1 put sample 1, which is observation A. In array 2 put the second sample, which is observation B. Here in this question, no need to add a new column because we have two samples. In the tails, because H1 does not equal, we put two tails, and in type, we put 2 because we have two samples. The p-value is 0.02. From the table, we see that 0.02 is in the second row, so we have significant evidence to reject H0. The last example, two expert radiologists estimated a liver tumor volume as shown in the data. Both of them use the same measurement units, and they perform the estimation independently. How would you describe the agreement level between both radiologists by using t-test? Also, this example has two samples, radiologist A and radiologist B, and because the question does not mention either greater than or less than, so it is two tails. So H0 will be mean of radiologist 1 equals to mean of radiologist 2, and H1, the mean of radiologist 1, does not equal to the mean of radiologist 2. After stating the hypothesis, let's find the p-value. Open Excel Training 3 and go to sheet Ttest 4. Select any empty cell, Formula, Insert Function, Ttest, array 1, radiologist 1 sample, array 2, radiologist 2, and in tails we put 2 because we have two tails, type we put 2. The p-value is 0.25, so from the table we find that 0.25 is in the fourth row, insignificant evidence to reject H0. This means that the level of agreement between the two radiologists is high. Dear students, in the next lecture, we will find the p-value by using another function named Ttest. Thank you very much.